everyone, my name is Bonnie and welcome to my video. Today is my January 2021 Plan With Me video. I don't want to waste any time, so grab a notebook and you can relax, chill, watch my video, and let's get to planning. Alright, so I am first going to go and start with my quote page for my 2021 January spread. I'm using this pink washi tape and this gold washi tape to go and outline parts of the corners. I thought it was just a kind of cute touch and everything like that. But the main things on here that I used were my my Tombow dual markers and a gold paint marker for some of the outlines. I used a lot of gold in this. My color scheme on this was a pink, yellow, and gold. So I ended up going nuts with those colors. As you see, I am working on this ribbon. If you know Sailor Moon and stuff, that is actually my theme for this journal. And the ribbon are part of the transformation sequence and everything for Sailor Moon. So I go and I do my use my calligraphy pen to go and put a quote. The quote is, "It is that sad feeling that keeps us going." It is from Sailor Moon, and it's one of those quotes that I really kind of use to go and get through a dark time. I just thought that this quote would be very useful for me, just so, you know, to go and focus on my mental health. I also went and made my own stickers on here. You can actually find those on those in the description, and you can go and purchase them today. I handmade all of them, and they turned out so cute that I really was not expecting it to do that well. I went and I outlined that ribbon with that gold marker, as you can see. I really went ham on the gold paint marker and absolutely love how it turned out. My theme this month, the Sailor Moon theme, actually was inspired by one of my really good friends in the cosplay community. She absolutely loves Sailor Moon, and this is actually her birthday month. So I thought that Sailor Moon would be a really cool reminder for me to go and put for her. As you see, I'm just like doodling in some of the gaps and just going all ham on it. I really enjoyed making this quote page, and I hope that you guys actually see that in this video. I also went and I cut my little stickers. My first stickers on this page are actually my Chibi Moon stickers, and I absolutely love these stickers that I did. The big sticker is actually the Sailor Moon brooch, and I just put on this title page for January in big bold letters just to go and remind myself that it's January 2021. All these are Sailor Moon brooches for these stickers. And then my little doodles that I went and I posted down are actually of little Sailor Moon symbols, stars, and bunnies. I really enjoyed those, and just kind of going, I kind of wanted to mimic her bedspread from the anime. So you see I'm going after it with a gold marker again, just kind of going and making it pop. This just did not take me too long to do, actually. I really just wanted to go and make little doodles and just go and get the stickers done. As you see here. And I used the pink marker to go and kind of make the little bunnies on here too. This was a more simplistic version of my bullet journal spread from my beginning spreads. And so as you see, I'm doing a pink on the January and just outlining my calendars. This one was also kind of a Sailor Moon pink and yellow theme area for that. But I want to know your favorite Sailor Scout. If you want to comment down below your favorite Sailor Scout, maybe I'll do some more stuff for them. Mine is actually Mercury and Neptune. I've always liked the ocean and water themes, and blue is my favorite color. So this pink and yellow is kind of a different type of theme for me. I absolutely love the stickers I made on this page. My favorite ones are actually the Luna, Diana, and Artemis stickers. And I'm honestly so happy about how cute they turned out, especially on my not so great sticker paper. But I am like so in love with them. And I had so much fun going to making these on my Twitch as well. That's in my description, and I'm always streaming on Fridays for my art stuff. I just went and I numbered them, and I just put little circles down using my pink and yellow markers. And then I went all ham on that gold again because, man, that gold ended up turning out to be like a really big theme for this journal. And I absolutely adored it. I also did little doodles in gold on the bottom with the Artemis and Diana stickers as well, which was actually really awesome how that just turned out. I absolutely love this page of all the pages I did. It wasn't and you see I went after the page with the pink and gold washi tape again, just to go and just give it like the final little touch. So I made a goals and priority task area for my thing as well, just so I can go and see what all I've done this month and what all I was able to do, and kind of go and gradually go and grade myself as I go on. So my next page is my habit tracker and my brain dump. I absolutely I just kind of wanted to make something very simple for my habit tracker, and my brain dump I kind of wanted just a little simple pink page with some gold trim. I also made like these stickers on here. I decided on the disguise pin, the Sailor V mask, and the dream mirror from Sailor Moon SS. And then I used the gold washi tape. I cut that so it can go and be used as kind of like a header. But doing this page took forever because I had to go and I went and made all of those little tiny squares just so I can go and fill them in later. I found out later that I'm probably not gonna go and do this type of spread, or as many of these again as I did. I found out that I really didn't need all of these habit tracker things, so this might be something that you see later on in my my other spreads that I just was like, oh no. But I did like how I did the header with the habit in the pink and the gold for tracker. I did the same for the brain dump page, and also, as you'll see, I did the same for my my weekly spreads as I go on. But yeah, just as you see, this just took me forever to do with my little tiny ruler. It just all the little squares, just all of them. I was kind of like, at the end, but it did turn out well. But I was just so over it afterwards. You see, I'm doing it with I do all of my pages. I sketch them all out first, and then I go over it with my Sakura Micron pen. It's just something easier for me to do, and then I'll just erase the pencil marks at the end just to get everything together. So as you see, I take my white pen to go in and get like any kind of pen marks or marker marks that I just did not want to do. There was a lot of erasing on this spread. So you see, I go after it with my go after like the tops with my yellow and pink just to go and outline it, and I've been filling it in with the yellow and pink markers as well. I really am enjoying my brain dump page just because at like night I go and I end up going and randomly getting thoughts in my brain. So my last thing I wanted to showcase was my weekly spreads. I kind of wanted to do something simple with like the ribbons again and outlining those in gold and putting an outline of black around. I love these stickers that I am using for this. I made all 8 of these sailor soldiers, their symbols, along with their weapon that they go and use. And I'm really thinking that later on I may be making these into larger vinyl stickers just because they just turned out so cute. And I really think that people would love to go and just have them like on water bottles and stuff. But as you can see, like I'm going to use these on my journal, and I did go and make them a little bit too large, but that's okay. I can, with this sticker paper, I can at least go and cut some of it to go and fit to my page in a right way. But as you see, it's just a simple ribbons with all of the dates, and they're going to be in pink and yellow. And it's just a really simplistic spread that I just wanted to do. You see, I was working on fiddling with the stickers. It's like, oh, where do they go? Where do they go? I was like, how am I going to do my header? And then I figured out that I'm just going to put them right next to each other to do my header. And my header's simple. It's just January with week 1, and then a gold washi tape to go and do for my banner, my line for my banner. I didn't want to make anything too difficult for people, just for recreation purposes. There's only about 3 Tombow markers I go and I use, which are easily in the same pack that you can get, the pastel pack. And then the gold marker, which was pretty easy to go and get. But I am absolutely loving having this spread and everything. I've been using this often. So here's my final flip through of my January 2021 spread. I hope that you really enjoy it. I know I did. It's probably my favorite so far. And I am actually working on some new art and creative content every week. So subscribe and hit that bell notification icon if you want to see more content. And please stay happy and healthy. Thanks, guys. Bye.